Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you my own way of doing my eyebrows. So let's begin. So I'm going to use Estee Lauder Brow Now All-in-One Brow Kit in the shade number 2 Brunette. Okay, so taking this one from Benefit, it's a very nice tool for the eyebrows. So let's brush first, just like that. Then using this one, the angled brush, I'm going to use this shade. So I'm gonna start on the arc first. There. I always start on the top. Then now, on this part, making sure you have a very light powder on the angled brush. Then follow your brows just like that, very slowly. Okay, right now I'm growing this hairs here, so we're going to line there and create a very smooth arc. Always put very light powder, then just build it up just to make sure, because if you put lots of powder, it's not gonna create that smooth look. Then the excess, just slowly going upwards. There. Let's add more on those areas that we need more color. Okay, then spoolie. Then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow for these areas that I'm still waiting for the hair to grow. So very light black. I'm taking it from the Anastasia. Then slowly on those area, but you don't have to worry because later on we're going to conceal it. There guys, on one side. Then let's do the other side. You have to use small strokes so you can really follow your hair. Okay, that's enough. So see the difference? So going back to Estee Lauder, this is easier for me to follow the brows. Then upwards motion. This one is kind of easier for me, this side. Maybe because of the hair, because the other side is not balanced on this one. Like I have some hairs that didn't grow yet. So there. So let's take the black, just very light. Draw this area on the bottom. Okay, there. Okay, now I'm going to take a concealer. I'll be using Too Faced Born This Way. I'm not going to put it directly, but on the back of my hand. Then taking a precise brush. So this is the one that I'm going to use. Very light. If you have time, you can do this. Just to have a very perfect angle. Okay, now I'm going to use my fingers to pat it to soften the concealer. Okay, going back to the brush that we use. See how perfect now? Okay, let's do the same on the other side. But you know guys, for daily, I'm not doing this, you know, to conceal. Just slowly. There you go guys. See that? How do you like my eyebrows now? So spoolie on both sides. Okay. One more look, making sure if everything is same from one side to another side. From here, let's add just a very light powder, then spoolie. So there's a small here. There guys. Now I'm going to take this one from Benefit. It's 24-hour brow setter. It's clear. Like it guys. Okay, then remove the excess. Just like that. The spoolie looks like this guys. And I just love it. So let's do this motion upwards first, upwards motion, then slightly there, following the hair strands. This is very important to those, you know, most especially those thick hairs. Set eyebrows, it will be in place. Okay, straight first, then going outwards. There guys, so this is my eyebrow look. How do you like it guys? So I'll be back to finish my whole face. Okay guys, so this is my final look with the eyebrows. Look at that, it's so beautiful. So zoom in there. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and share this video to your families and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Just check my YouTube channel. Just search Anna Erallim. So I hope you subscribe, and thank you again for watching. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!